It's 2 a.m. Ali is lying in bed, scrolling through TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube shorts. After every video, he tells himself, just one more, then I'll sleep. But then another video, and another, and another. Time is slipping away, and so is his life. On the other hand, Hamza is also awake at 2 a.m., but he's not wasting time on his phone. He has a book in his hand, a laptop open, and a notebook beside him. He's learning new skills, writing down ideas, and planning his future. He knows that if he doesn't work hard today, he'll only have regrets tomorrow. Morning comes. Ali wakes up late, skips breakfast, and rushes out the door. Stuck in traffic, stress is visible on his face. When he meets his friends, he complains, "Life is so hard. I have no money, no time, and my health is getting worse." But has he ever truly tried to change his life? Meanwhile, Hamza wakes up early, exercises, eats a proper breakfast, and gets ready for the day. When he meets his friends, he talks about new projects, business ideas, and upcoming opportunities. There's a different energy in his voice, a confidence that only comes from taking action. One day, Ali opens Instagram and sees a post from Hamza. "Alhamdulillah, my hard work is paying off. Just got my first earnings, working with new clients, and finding exciting opportunities." Ali stares at the screen, feeling jealous. How did this happen? Wasn't I always smarter than him? More talented than him? But there was one thing Hamza did that Ali didn't. He took action. The difference between a successful person and a struggling person is often just one small habit. One person avoids work today, and soon, that avoidance becomes a habit. One day, that habit becomes his biggest regret. The other person takes small steps every day, and that consistency leads to success. 3 simple steps to change your life. 1. The no zero day rule. No matter how small, do something productive every single day. Write one line, do one exercise, learn one tiny part of a new skill, but never let a day go completely wasted. 2. Replace distractions with goals. If social media is wasting your time, either reduce your usage or use it for your benefit. Connect with new people, find opportunities, and learn something useful. 3. Work hard now, enjoy later. Every successful person struggled first and enjoyed later. If you don't struggle today, you'll only have regrets tomorrow. If you don't take action today, tomorrow will only bring regret. Time waits for no one. Either you start winning today or tomorrow you'll be sitting with nothing but what ifs. No work today, regret tomorrow. Hustle now, success will follow. Use your time wisely, because once it's gone, it never comes back.